Hi, I'm Josh Finn from J&H Aerospace, and today we are out with another classic airplane. Y'all have seen satellites on this channel. It seems like they keep making an appearance. This is a Satellite 320. It is built more or less from the BMJR models kit. Very good quality kit. This one is, like I said, mostly built sort of from it. This airplane was built by Ray Combs, and he was the founding president of the Magnificent Mountain Men, originally Martin Model Masters when he started it. And so this plane came out of his estate, and to my knowledge it has never been flown, so we are the first to fly it. So it has a Cox TD-049 on the front, has a Texas mini timer here. The airplane was set up for a traditional fuse setup, but we have a BMK radio dethermalizer on it, just like so. And this airplane is set up with the fin on the stab. I'm not a huge fan of that, but that's the way most satellites are set up. If you remember from the Satellite 450 video that we did, that airplane had the fin on the back where it belongs. But anyway, plane's balanced, and we're going to give it a couple test glides and see how it goes. Not bad. I'll give it one more. So the CG on these typically goes on the under the wing spar at the wing root, and this one is no exception. So that's where I've got it balanced, and it seems pretty happy there. Very nice floating glide. Alright, so we're going to fuel it up. I'm not sure I'm getting a good seal on here, but we'll find out soon enough. So this is a red cap bladder that we have set up in here. We've got a Manano pinch-off timer, or sorry, remote pinch-off connected to our Texas mini timer, which currently it's in the fuel off position. And so let's see if we can fuel this guy up. So we're connected. We disconnect the output latch. We've got a little bit of a leak on the bladder itself. Should be okay to get started here, but we'll have to address that in a little bit. Does not appear to be leaking out elsewhere. Yeah, that's going to end up being a problem. But for now, fuel valve open. That's not half bad, and I'll DT it in a safe spot. Alright, so that's about as nice of a maiden flight as you can ask for on one of these. But if you notice, the engine didn't sound real good at launch, and then it surged at cutoff, which means that as it started running, that nitro, which is the universal solvent, cleared all the residue inside the Venturi assembly, and so it started flowing the fuel much faster. So we need to lean the engine out. The problem is, if you noticed also, the airplane pulled off to the right, and it pulled too hard. And as we increase power, it's going to pull even harder. So we need to add some left rudder to get rid of that tendency. So I'm going to use Elmer's glue stick to do that. And this is the all-purpose, not the school glue. And we're going to glue a little piece of 1/16 inch strip right here to the trailing edge of the fin on the left side. So that's going to give us left rudder. We still have enough fuel on board to go. So we still have enough fuel on board to go because this holds quite a bit of fuel, and we're just running very short engine runs. Very nice. Let's see it circle a little here. Oh yeah. Look at that. And we'll stop it right there before he goes in the trees. Nice flying airplane. That flight looked pretty good. I still think it's going a little harder to the right than I wanted it to. So I added another about a ½ inch long strip here to open up the turn a little. Ultimately, we need to raise the stab leading edge a little bit because it is, what's happening is the airplane is following basically a spiraling loop, and so we want to open that up. But in the darkness here, I want to get one more flight off, kind of get the rudder trim dialed in first, and then we'll look at relaxing that. So. Yeah, that's definitely got way too much incidence, and you can see the stall right there. It's kind of initiated by that. And the airplane eventually stabilizes out of it, but it's basically going very flat because of the excessive pitch rate. Let's see if we can DT it in a safe spot. There. Uh-oh. There we go. Not a safe spot. Alright, so we're out here for round 2 of this. Airplane flew fine yesterday. We have put a shim under the stab. I don't know how well that shows up, but there's a 1/16 inch shim right there. And so hopefully that'll open things up a little bit. Also, we've shortened the spring a little bit, so I've got a little bit more tension on that line. And so hopefully that'll, because I think the stab may have been lifting a little bit, and that will tighten up your pattern aggressively. There we go. That's about what I'm looking for. Oof, incoming. Now I'm down low. Ouch! I just got hit by a plane.
The plane that hit him.
Oh, what a floater. Let's see, we're going to let it circle out.
I was sorry.
Right there.
Oh, man.
And the little pilot that hit him.
Now that's called getting out of Dodge.
Yeah.
Good job putting it right there where Mommy can sit on it.
Where do you want me to put this, Daddy?
Not at Mommy's feet when she's not paying attention.
to the ground.
Back in the trees we go.
All right, so that is the Satellite 320. Very nice flying airplane. Yes, it got stuck in a tree, and it's back. No damage. So, very nice flying airplane. I've been quite impressed with how it flies. Kind of flew off the board other than just needing some climb adjustments. The glide's been fine from the start. So, I will mention, don't know if it'll still be true by the time you see this. At some point, it won't be. This airplane is for sale. So, if you would like to buy this airplane, contact me. I don't know really how to ship it, because shipping lightweight free flight airplanes is either expensive or unreliable. You take your pick. But you could meet up with me at a contest or a flying meet and we could exchange it. So anyway, there'll be a listing for it down below if it's still available, and we'll see you later. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.